Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing NEXCF, EEENF, BRYYF, BMIX, DUTV, PLPL, and CZNI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational, educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, hot inflation read today led to overall risk-off sentiment. The Dow finished down 200 points, but there are some bright spots on the OTC. One stock running today, NEXCF. This one was just 25 cents a month ago, getting a lot of attention. It's been putting out a ton of press releases. And this is what we want to see from our OTC CEOs, putting out press release, updating the market. This is a metaverse play with Mark Zuckerberg rebranding Facebook to Meta. This is a hot sector to be in. I think there's going to be more OTC plays focused on the metaverse that we can make a lot of money on. So there's definitely opportunities on the OTC right now. One name making a comeback is EEENF. This is up almost 100% over the past couple of days. This one was basically left for dead. Their Merlin won well. The results were not good. But the thing is, 88 Energy has a lot of other assets. They have Permian wells down in the Permian Basin. They got Project Icewine in Alaska. They're doing some restructuring. They're going to farm it out. Their next exploration on Project Icewine, which is a very smart move. And what's impressive about 88 Energy here, it is running on no news. Over $1 million in volume today. I really like the price action that I'm seeing. It shows you that, I know a lot of people are holding a lot of bags right now. A lot of people thought in 88 Energy it was over. This goes to show you that, these companies with real assets, with real management, there are potential for the turnaround. It's making a nice move up the charts here over the past 3 days. So nice to see this for 88 Energy shareholders. And keep in mind, we got to close this gap up to 2.5 cents. So it looks like this wants to close the gap and run to 2.5 cents. So definitely 88 Energy, keep your eye on this one. Next up is BRYYF, up another one. This is up 29% on no news. I really like these real companies, not pump and dumps, that have real management that are running on no news. That tells you someone knows something. And they're accumulating a position here, and we're just waiting for some catalysts and for that news to drop. So definitely these are the things that I like to pay attention to for our subscribers. We do all the work here for you, so you don't have to. Go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, sign up with your email and your mobile number. This way you get all these reports straight to your inbox, whether it's email or text. Text is the fastest way to get our alerts, especially when it's something hot and a fast mover. Next up is BMIX. This is just a beautiful chart. Wonderful, nice moves here. BMIX, I talked about this one on June 11th in my video. I said hide out in cash and small caps while markets crash. BMIX was just 0.0078 back then. So if you got in, you were up almost over with today's action, up almost 250%. Congrats to all who listened to the video, and also to our subscribers who got the report on BMIX. So really like this move in BMIX, and this is a QB. So there's a lot to like here. And if you look at this is a they have lithium assets, nickel, cobalt, rare earths, titanium, graphite. They also own equity stakes in Apollo Resources Corporation, which is a private company, an iron ore miner, and then also they have a stake in Jupiter Gold Corporation, a publicly traded quartzite mine, and has also 2 gold projects. So BMIX is certainly a miner you want to pay attention to. Right now, the miners have been held back a little bit from, well, quite a bit from the strong dollar. If the dollar starts weakening, we're going to start to see a lot of these gold miners start to take off. So it's going to be certainly that's one thing that you need to pay attention to. Next up is DUTV. This one here has been making a nice climb over the past month, getting here close to the new 52-week highs. CEO Mark Galliswick, he's all over this one, all over Twitter. They're getting ready to launch their Easy Energy Climate Token, getting ready to raise money there. They also have their modular systems, Easy Energy Systems. I've talked about him a lot in the past videos. He is a proven entrepreneur. He's invested a lot of his own money in his companies, and he is looking to do a roll-up strategy, put his companies into DUTV, consolidate everything under one umbrella, and build DUTV into a major player. So definitely DUTV is one to get on your radar screen. Lastly, guys, are 2 that we really like, PLPL and CZNI. First up on PLPL, this is just a $9.8 million market cap, and one guy that we follow and respect a lot on FinTwit is SPAC Trader in Training, JD. He's getting ready to put out due diligence tonight on PLPL. We'll be following that, and then we're also going to be doing our own due diligence and a full report on PLPL for our subscribers. So make sure you are a subscriber at signup.insiderfinancial.com. This way you don't miss any of these reports. Lastly is CZNI. This is another one, guys. We're getting ready to do a full report on CZNI. This is one you're not going to want to miss. There is a big CZNI army. I really like how the OTC community is coming together on FinTwit. Everyone's sticking together, and they're focused on building these companies into major players. This is just a 000. PLPL is in a 00. The due diligence I am hearing on CZNI is making me even more impressed. I've been gathering things that a lot of people don't know about CZNI. So this is definitely one you're going to want to get this full report if you are in CZNI. The risk reward setup in CZNI is one of the best I am seeing on the OTC markets right now. So again, there's a lot to like here, and I think this full report is certainly one you're not going to want to miss, and it's certainly going to bring a lot of eyeballs and a lot of interest to CZNI. So if you are in CZNI or looking at it, make sure you go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, sign up with your email and your mobile number. You're not going to want to miss when we drop this report. So it's certainly going to be create a lot of fireworks on the OTC markets. With that being said, glad hump day is over. Let's crush the OTC and pennies for the remainder of the week. We got Thursday and Friday. Let's have finish the week strong. And I'll be coming live to you tomorrow after the bell with the new video. And also, subscribers, be watching your inbox for our special reports. Thank you, everyone, and have a great night. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.